Welcome to this quick tutorial on keyboard shortcuts for selecting in Google Sheets. So I've got my information here, and if I wanted to select that information, it's not too difficult to do because I can just drag and highlight that. But if I've got a massive spreadsheet that's going way off the edge of the page and into multiple columns or down multiple rows, I might want an easier way of doing that. And this is the one that I really love. This is one of my favorite shortcuts in Sheet. Quite simply, Command A on a Mac or Control A will give you the selection of the whole thing. And then you can quite easily Command C for copy, Command V for paste. Okay. Another one that I really like is if I enter in any cell and I do Control space, it will automatically select the entire row for me, which is fantastic. And equally, if I click in a cell, if I do Shift space, that will select the whole of the row. Okay, but it will only select the fields. It's quite intelligent. It selects the fields that it knows is being used. So it's not going to select the whole thing there. However, if I was, for example, to copy and paste this over a little bit and just drop these over here, what we would notice, if I then click back in that same cell and did the Shift space, it still treats that as separate. If I click here and do the same thing, it treats that as separate. So it's recognizing where there are boundaries to my data, when they're possibly not part of the same thing. So it's really useful from that perspective. That's Command A to select everything, to select all, A for all. That's Shift and space to select a row, and Control and space to select a column.